Hey guys, welcome to Wick's Garage, episode 2. I am your host, Dwayne Wick. Guys, this week I'm going to show you the leaky, greasy 2.7 that came with this car, as well as get right into disassembly. I'm going to take the front and back bumpers off, drop the oil tank out, and remove the rockers. A lot of weight getting dropped off right away, so I think you guys will enjoy this. Stick around. Rob's Porsche. Nope. There we go. Avila saying. Yeah. Sayonara, day-ho. All right, here we go. Original Porsche tail, Porsche rubber. It's a T-tray spoiler. It is very heavy. Part of that is it has air conditioner, condenser, handy dandy prop. 70s, 77 heat exchangers, trashed. All right, and we have a mouse infested piece of cardboard. See if I can dump this right on my shoes, that'd be cool. Slightly roasted. I don't see too much fire damage. I don't see actually any. But the engine, serious oil leak in the, up here, probably what's called the triangle of death. You got the oil breather right here. This is the temperature sender. And then this is the oil thermometer. How did he attach this? Well, he did put the crossbar in, so I got the crossbar. It still has the EGR spider line. So the fan, the shroud, the housing, that's all gone. All the intake's gone. Nothing covering the intake holes. That would have been nice to maybe stuck the rag in there, but everything else is there though. Over here on this side we got the oil tank, charcoal canister back behind that. On this side we got a fuse block that runs the rear window defrost. The bottom one is the Sport-O-Matic. I don't think that's an original CDI box. Fairly new looking fuel filter accumulator in front of it. That's the engine. Kidding me. Holy Toledo. Yeah, weigh this thing. Okay. We are going to see what a legit whale tail weighs. I'm going to say like 35. 36. All right, to get the bumper off, we just need a 10mm socket and an extension. Hey, where's my 10mm at? More time.
Hey, Dwayne, can I borrow your 10mm socket? Thanks.
10mm.
I will bring you your 10mm back just as soon as I can find it.
exhausted. Got the oil tank out so that I could get to the bumper. Some kind of weird fasteners holding the bumper on. Impossible to get to without dropping the oil tank. So that's gone. And now I can get to that last fastener that's tucked way up in there. All right, this is what I was working for. Last thing to do for the night. Just wanted to get an idea of. There we go. $51. That's a hunk. Hey guys, I want to take a quick moment to show you my amazing titanium lug nuts from TI Porsche Products. You can check them out on Instagram. These are the raw titanium on steel studs. Now, he also makes these PVD black coated, which I'm gonna run on my 77. Also, stock length, so if you want it to match your original aluminum lug, this is the guy you want. This is the open-ended version. There's a closed-in also available, and available in several different colors. I think there's a CAD yellow zinc look. This is the black PVD coated, the raw, which is this silver, which I think looks great against a black wheel. Now, if you're concerned about dissimilar metals, titanium on steel, I use anti-seize, I don't really have a problem, but if you want to go the extra step, TI Porsche Products also makes these killer titanium studs, which I'm going to run on the other car. These are the 65mm thread with the extra 7mm bullnose. I think that's really trick looking. He makes a square-ended one too if you want to run that. If you want a quick, easy project you can do over the weekend or after work, check out TI Porsche Products. Order a set of these. They're really, really trick. Easy way to bling up your car. A lot of the old aluminum lugs are really looking tired after 30, 40 years. So this is a quick way to upgrade the look of your car. Check them out, guys. All right, guess that wasn't really on there. Dr. Wick, you're wanted in the emergency room. Good, bad. I'm the guy with the gun. Minutes with the Wigster and we get 20 pounds lighter already.
All right, guys, thanks for watching this week's episode of Wick's Garage. I want to thank TI Porsche Products and also want to thank AASE Sales. Link in the description. Head on over there, guys. They've got tons of Porsche parts. I just signed up for Patreon. Head on over to patreon.com, type in Wix Garage. There's three or four different tiers that you can sign up for if you want to support the video series. I've got exclusive content for my Patreon members. Just shot a video of the whale tail disassembly. So if you need more, then that's a great place to find it. Also have giveaways. I've got some posters and a whole bunch of cool content that I'm going to be doing for my Patreon exclusive people. So thank you for that. And also guys, next week we are going to be doing the interior. I'm going to show you step by step how I disassembled everything from the dash all the way down to the floor tar. I deleted that out. So tune in next week. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. That helps me out. And leave a comment. Let me know if there's something that you want to see, something that you want me to show in the series. I'd be happy to do that feedback. Thanks. See you next time on Wix Garage.
It's all about humanity.